Hey buddy, today in this video we're making shrimp toast in the air fryer. Let's begin. We have here a peeled shrimp, thawed and deveined, and the size we're using is 2630. We're going to put this to the side for right now. We also need 4 slices of bread. The bread we're using is from Sara Lee, but you can use any bread you like. We're going to slice it diagonally. That. There you go. We're going to put it on the plate for right now. Next, we're going to need half a stick of butter melted, and I'll be right back. Okay, we melted the butter. I put it in the microwave for 1 minute. We're going to put some seasoning into the salted butter. We're going to put 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. There you go, 1 teaspoon. Just stir it in. Okay, the garlic powder is mixed in well with the salted butter. We're going to take a brush and we're going to brush it onto the bread. Turn them over and do the same thing. And just apply the butter on top. Okay, there we go. We're gonna put the bread on the side, and now we're gonna chop up the shrimp. You know what? I think we need a little bit more shrimp. So we're gonna be making around 1 pound of shrimp. Okay, the shrimp is nicely chopped up. Now we're gonna add some seasoning to it. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. There you go. 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and half teaspoon of ground white pepper. Okay, that's around half teaspoon of ground white pepper. We're also adding 1 teaspoon of sesame seed oil, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and also 1 egg. Then take everything and mix it all in. And add some more until it has a thick consistency. Oh, and one last thing what we're going to add is 1 teaspoon of salt. And then mix everything in. Still a little bit too runny. We're just going to keep adding cornstarch. Just keep adding cornstarch until it's just a little bit more thicker consistency. Okay, there you go. It should have a thick consistency to it. Okay, now we're going to take the shrimp and we're just going to put it on top of the bread. There we go. We have all the shrimp on the bread. The next thing what we're going to do is take some sesame seeds and sprinkle it on top. You can use more or less depending on your preference. There we go. There we go. This is what it looks like before we put it in. And we're going to preheat the air fryer first. Okay, we're going to turn it on. We're going to preheat the air fryer. We're going to push the preheat button. And we're going for 370 degrees. Start. And we'll be back. Okay, the air fryer's been preheated at 370 degrees. We're going to set it back to 370 for a total time of 8 minutes. There we go. Let's put in the shrimp toast. There we go, we have all the shrimp toast in the basket. And we're going to put it in. We're going to push start. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 8 minutes at 370 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking wonderful. Smells really nice. We also have here some chopped up parsley, and we're just going to apply it on top. Okay, this is what we have today, shrimp toast made in the air fryer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.